let's start with the usual procedure, starting with the daily chart of the ES. So exactly the same expectation as we've had for some time: one up, two back, one up, and I think we're still in this too. There is a possibility it's completed at yesterday's low, just shy of the 38.2 retrace for the move. Let's come down the time frames. This is the 2-hour chart. If that's the top of the 5 up for the 1, we've got an A to here, A, B, C up into Tuesday's high, and then this strong move down yesterday. Now, this leaves things slightly uncertain. We didn't get to the 1.0 extension of the A to C relationship. We came shy. That didn't look to me like a completed 5-wave structure. I was waiting back end of yesterday for a last 4-5 that never came. We didn't get to the 886 retrace, but we came well below the 786 based on that move up there. And we didn't get to the 38.2 retrace of the overall 5 waves up either. So all of that is suggestive of the idea that this move up we're seeing starting late yesterday and continuing pre-market is most likely a B wave, and that we've still got a C down to our original targets at 27.77. So unless this proves otherwise, that is the way I am expecting it and playing it. So coming in and zoning in on the hourly chart, we've got the A, B, and 5 down to here for a C, A, B, C back. Then the only way I can count this as 5 is as a 1, 2, 3, the 4 here with an extended 5th. And yeah, you can see the fibs that it missed. Didn't get to this. This was the 1.0 extension here at this green line, and this was the 38.2 retrace. So we do have to consider that it might be all of the 2 in, hence the Alt 2 on the hourly chart, which is the same one I've posted just above you. And then this move up here. So I'm expecting it to halt within this shaded blue area between 28.40 and 28.56 and roll back over. And what I would think, if this is a B wave, it should get more complex from here. This should just be the A of it. We should get a pullback as a B, C at a minimum, and possibly some shenanigans in between times. If we just continue to push up strongly and this starts to look impulsive, then we've got to start to consider the top is going to get taken out, and if so, we're on our way to levels in excess of 3,000 SPX next. So caution. If we're going to, I'm happy to short this up in this region if we get the pattern and a completed fib sequence into it during the session with our day trading charts. But if it is a B wave, they can be over quickly, but I would be surprised. I would expect some kind of, if you look at this and then the lack of clarity between this part of the pattern in the ES and the SPX cash, I'd expect something similar of a B wave over the next few days. Okay, day trading wise, we're just up against this blue line here at the moment. We also, depending on how I count this, so I've fibbed it 2 ways on the 3-minute chart. So there's a leading diagonal up to here. So I've taken the length of that and pushed it up off here. That's the multicolored fibs on the 3-minute chart, in case this is starting to try and work its way up. So it doesn't really look like an impulse because the subwaves don't stack up correctly, but just in case. On the other hand, if we take these pink fibs and take this as an A, B, C for an A wave here, B back to here, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we've come up to the 1.0 extension at 28.38 this morning. So I would expect we might just tap over the blue line to actually hit that. We missed it by about 0.5 point, and then get a pullback in what should be the B of this B this morning. So that's what I'm looking for today. If we just continue to push straight up, then that starts to add weight to the idea that we have seen a significant low at yesterday's low of day. Okay, coming over